Do you like to play sports?
Yes, I like to play sports. With the help of sports, we can maintain our body structure and also good stamina.
Which is your favorite sport?
My favorite sports is football. At that time, I play football well, and with the help of my big brother, I get many knowledge about football game.
Okay, let's move on to talk about the neighbors. How often do you see your neighbors?
I think that in my area there are many type of neighbor, and it is also helpful for us whenever we stuck in any situation, they can help easily together.
Do you invite your neighbors to your home?
Yes, sometimes whenever in my home marriage or other function, at that time I invite my neighbor.
Do you think you are a good neighbor?
Yes, I think that in my area neighbor is good, and also I think that it is very helpful for all area.
Has a neighbor ever helped you?
Yes, sometimes some people not help me because they have not a good they have not good they have got not good information about life. They feel that it is not a good person, so that's why sometimes people not give help to me.
Okay, now I'm going to give you a topic and you're having a minute to prepare
Okay,
your
sir.
answer. Here's a pencil and paper for you. If you wish, you make notes. And here's your topic. Describe a very difficult task that you succeeded in doing as a part of your work or studies. Yes, please.
In my life, I get many difficult but today I talk about that task which I feel very difficult at study time. That task is get a 90% marks in my 12th class. I feel very stressed at that time. I have I have not good information about my papers, and at that time I feel I confused how we can get good knowledge. After a few days, I talk with my teacher, and my teacher give me idea to get a tuition after school, and after that time I come back school and talk with my father. At that time my father also confused, and after some days my father get a good tuition in my village. After some days I go to that tuition. I get many knowledge about my exams, and also with the help of my big brother I get many information about board exams. So that's why at that time my big brother also helped me too much. And after 1 to 2 months later, my exam is held on March, and at that time I do my exam in a good way, and after 2 to 3 months, when result is come, I get almost 90 plus marks in my 12th class. So that's why that is a difficult task which I face in my study. Moreover, I face many difficult tasks in work. At first time I went with my father at fields. I feel that it is easy to do farming, but when I do farming, it is not easy to everyone. The work is very hard, and with the help of father, I get many knowledge about farming.
Fine. Let's discuss further about the difficult jobs. What are the most difficult jobs that people do?
In my country, there are many difficult jobs in industries, and also many peoples in villages do farming. At that time, people face many difficulties because in summer season there are too much sunrises, and at that time, so many people feel very sick, and there is no good situation at that time. More people are stuck in many situations, so that's why.
Why do you think some people choose to do the difficult task or the jobs?
I think that most of people choose to difficult jobs because in difficult jobs he get good salary from job, and also with the help of difficult job they can get many knowledge about further life, and also difficult job is good for their future life.
Do you agree or disagree that all jobs are difficult sometimes?
I think that all jobs are not difficult at sometimes because there are some jobs which is not difficult, such as in schools and in doctors in hospitals. So that's why I feel not all jobs are.
Okay, let's move on to talk further about the personal and career success. How important is it for everyone to have a goal in their personal life?
Repeat question.
How important is it for everyone to have a goal in their personal life?
I think that in personal life people have a goal. At that time people achieve, when people achieve goal they get knowledge about at that time, and also they get they talk about different type of persons, and also check a behavior of every person when they achieve their goal.
Okay. Is it always necessary to work hard in order to achieve a career success?
Yes, it is necessary to work hard to achieve a career success, because without work hard we cannot easily get a career success. We also do many things which is good for career situations, such as we can do jobs in schools or hospitals, and also we cannot easily go in career success because sometimes people talking about yourself negativity.
Do you think that successful people are always happy, always have a happy life?
No, I think that successful people have not always happy in their life, because in life there are many type of situations in home which made people unhappy, and people sometimes get stress when they think about their future generation.
Okay. Thank you. That's the end of your
Yes,
speaking
sir.
list.